Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to start room cleaning on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. Room cleaning allows you to clean only selected rooms. In order to do it, you'll need to go to Area right here in the app, then select Room. Now select the rooms that you would like to clean. The ones that are gray are currently selected. You can select multiple rooms and then click on Done. Now, only the selected one will be cleaned. You can also, of course, adjust the mode to vacuuming and mopping, vacuuming before mopping or mopping only. Change the suction settings, the water output for mopping, the path, and the repetition times. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.